10 a.m. right now, and today we are eating out to have pizza again. I look like I'm going to rob the bank. There's a sudden temperature drop today, so here we are. There is quite a few cafe restaurants here. Right there, that whole stretch. The last time we were here, we actually had coffee here, and with this beautiful view. Yeah, this cafe reef is actually a very popular spot for, I think, more for tourists. So yeah, it's always fully packed. Cheers in the nest.
后面都可以坐啊，2位后面都可以坐，3万点的可以。
Wow, I smell pizza. So they even have this wine dispenser here. This place. The more classic offerings, the 4 cheese, prosciutto, salami, and this ham with mashed potato and pesto. Interesting. This is very Napoli. And then we have the more fusion flavors, so like the bamboo shoot with short pork meat, and the Mexican cowboy, and also the wow, this is the chili chick pizza, like the 辣子鸡. Epic 辣子鸡 pizza is here. The leopard spot looks good. A little bit of crunch, and I can smell that chili, fried dry chili, and really the 辣子鸡 smell is coming out. A little bit of the parmesan cheese crepes, a little bit of the roast peppers as well, above all that 辣子鸡 combination, and the dough looks good. I mean, the leopard spot is good. A little bit of the crunch on the outside, and let's see. The olive oil is good. Very green grassy, a little bit bitter. It's a little bit crusty on the outside, and inside is like chewy, but not too chewy. Like you can get the gluten strength, and crispy bready, not too airy, but it's not the super dense kind. So it's, I think on a scale of 10, I'll say this is like 7 for me. Like 7, yeah. Pretty good. Let's pizza, let's go! Okay. So, something that's not expected on top of this lassi flavor is actually a touch of honey, which actually went pretty well with this whole spicy numbing fried chicken so far. Not bad. So for this second pizza, we requested them to bake a little bit more with a darker leopard spot, hopefully, a little bit more char. Second pizza is here. This is the fungus with prosciutto on the dough, and the one that actually looks like my white Bismarck pizza voila. And this is going to be a white base with the wild mushroom on it. A little bit of the parmesan, and the dough has been blanketed with prosciutto ham. So I just finished our pizza at Jojo, and look at this gorgeous sea view behind us. Yeah. So anyway, for the pizza, I thought it was actually pretty good comparing to the last one that we had at Chow and Pizza. I think they are very different because I feel like here they are doing more fusion flavors. Like the lassi and even the mushroom, you know, with parma, they had this sweet chili taste in the mushroom, which was actually surprisingly well done. It's just different. It's not classic, it's not Italian taste, but it's really good. While Chow, I feel like they have more authentic Italian flavors and ingredients. So I enjoy them both. Can't really pick a favorite, but if it's like more day to day, I think I will go for Chow. Yeah, how about you?
Same. I think I will get chow as well.
Yeah.
Because of the Italian flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Until next time.